everybody. I'm sorry this has been delayed, hasn't it? I was supposed to film this a week ago. Me and Annie, we did this giveaway and this is the results. So I'm 2 weeks on because I had a fall. I staggered backwards across the landing and fell with my back on the toilet. And I've been in a lot of pain. I'm still in pain, but it's improving. And in the middle of that, I'd got a cold, which ended up in my throat and I lost my voice. So as you can tell, I still sound a bit funny, but I can talk enough to get through this, I think. So I'm thinking, how am I going to do this? Right. Well, these are the prizes. There is an international prize, which if you want to see what's in there, you can go back and have a look through other video. I can't talk too long. So that's the international because it's a large letter size. Sorry about my voice. So that's a large letter size, so I can send that international. So I'll draw that one first, and then I'll draw this one, which is the box for UK, and this has got some Varnail in it and some builder gel. No, not builder gel, polygel, stickers and all sorts of things. So I'll do that one second. I'll try and remember to take an individual picture and put it up on the screen as I do the screen share for the draw. Okay, so international first. I'll do the Noel Christmas box second, and then I'll do this one, which is Canarine colour polish, 6 polishes, top and base. These are your colours, and that's it. So that's in another giveaway, and that one again is UK. So I'll just go over to my Mac, find a random name puller, and I'll do a screen share of that for you. Right, so this is the video that we did between me and Annie. So there's 6 prizes in the joint giveaway with Annie, and it was open to UK and international. So we've both got 1 international and 2 UK prizes. So between us, there'll be 1 winner for each of the 6 boxes. So if your name is drawn twice, my channel or hers, or on the same channel, then you only win the 1 prize. I've found out a random comment picker, which I'm not quite sure how good it is because it's not the one I normally use, but we'll go over there and see how it's working. So that's on here. So I've got to paste that link on there. I'm sorry my voice is croaky. Paste that in there. There's no filter though. Select filters I'd like to use. Keyword filter. Let's try that. So we'll put in international. So this is the international one. I'll try and put a picture up on screen of what the prize is for each particular draw. So include the prize. 13 comments. So let's pick a winner. Terry O from USA. So Terry O, congratulations, and you've come over from Annie's, so that's lovely. Thank you, that's lovely. So you're the winner there, Terry. Congratulations. And this is for the UK one, so this is for the Christmas Noel box. So I'll put in UK. Now, if you drawn out twice, you only win 1 prize. So between mine and Annie's channels, which the links will be below, there were 6 prizes. We're doing it as a joint giveaway. And if you win on mine, you can't win on hers and vice versa. And also there's only 1 prize. So if I draw your name out twice for UK, you only get 1. Sorry, my voice is going again. So 18 for UK. So Nat's Nifty 50 Nails. Congratulations, Nat. You have won again. If anybody's been watching me for a while, you know that Nat's won before. This is totally not fixed, as you can see. There it is. Nat's Nifty 50 Nails. There you are, Nat. That's how it works. Fabulous giveaway, love everything, very generous of you and Annie, such great prize, congratulations on 1500 subs. Enter me UK. There you are, love. I always say, we keep doing giveaways, keep entering. Congratulations, Nat. Right. Next, can I pull another winner? Same criteria, so I'm just click pick winner again. No. Oh, Nails by Tracy Bad 25. I thought it had said Nat again then. So Nails by Tracy Bad 25. You've won the Canarine. Thank you for watching, everybody. Love you loads. Take care. Bye.